Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special unboxing from Studio Calico. At the beginning of the year, Studio Calico had a sale and I wanted to jump in and get a few items that I was eyeing on their website for a little bit. Let's start with the first thing that I got. The first thing that I got was this kit called Me, Myself, and I, created by Heba. For those of you who don't know Heba, she is an amazing crafter. She's here on YouTube under My Little Journal hashtag or handle, and also on Instagram under Heba. And she is an amazing creator, and I am so excited to have in my hands another of her creations. The idea with this kit is for you to be able to document your life in about 30 days or so. And she has provided everything that you need to make that possible. This kit is released every year, but the format is different. The prompts stay the same, but the chipboards, the little sizes for the cardstock is different. So you have the same prompts, but the design of what you get is different. So here you have, for example, some of the embellishments that you get with the kit, and I am excited to be using these numbers that are in this vellum, and they're in this gradient color of, I would say, pink or reddish or maybe coral. And the sizes is pretty good. It's about 3 3/4 long, and I love it. The kit also comes with other little embellishments that you can use, like this colorful note cards. And Heba has been documenting her Me, Myself, and I journey for the month of January, and she has been using these little note cards to put down the prompt that she's using for the day. But you can use the embellishments however you wish, and it doesn't have to be only used for your Me, Myself, and I project. You can use it in other ways in your planner and also in your journal. That's one of the reasons why I love this kit so much. The kit also includes this double-sided papers that you will be using to create your Me, Myself, and I project. Because the papers are double-sided, you're able to make your project not as bulky, and you're going to be able to have this beautiful continuity when you put your pages together. One thing that Heba has said is that you don't have to do the prompts in order, and you can just do them however you wish. This gives you the freedom to make a project as unique as you. I am loving the colors in this kit. They are neutrals with just a little bit of pop of color, and I love that you can do this. You are able to cut the papers so they are more of the 3x8, and then you can have some 3x4 cards. The next thing that I got were some inks just to add to my stash, and I got them the color therapy. I also got some post-it notes that I was looking, and this little sticker sheet of words. This sticker sheet is from a past Me, Myself, and I kit, and I love the wordings, and I think it will be a great addition to my journaling pages. The next thing that I have to show you here is a stamp set. This stamp set is a 6x8, and it comes with 43 individual stamps. Pretty neat to add to my stamp set. The next one is another 6x8 stamp set that has the alphabet on the top, and then a few boxed in little phrases that I am planning to use in my journals. So this is my little stash that I got from Studio Calico. I bought all of this myself during their sale, and I just wanted to show you all the amazing things that you can get from this company. Thank you so much for watching, and follow me to see how I use all of these materials in my projects. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.